We're here at Steve Sandifer's layout. It's the Howard branch of the Santa Fe. Steve, can you tell us a little bit about your railroad and what's its primary function? What do they haul here?
My room is fairly small as layouts go, and I wanted to model something that looked in place for a room this size. So I'm modeling the Santa Fe, Emporia, Kansas, and the Howard branch. My lower deck is the town of Emporia, just one town, and trains will come from staging to staging through Emporia, which has major yard industries along the main, etc., to keep people busy. The upper deck is parts of the Howard branch, including Eureka, Kansas, Climax, Kansas, and Moline, Kansas. And Moline is also on the South Kansas branch of the Santa Fe. So I have 7 staging tracks that feed the town of Moline. So also Eureka has a live interchange with the Missouri Pacific. So there's a staging track that does that. This is a operations-oriented layout. It is a switching layout. There are no long runs on this layout except maybe 50 feet getting through Emporia. But it keeps people very busy with operations, and that's what I enjoy. I'm modeling 1952 Santa Fe. I'm a prototype modeler, so I don't want any cars or locomotives on this track that wouldn't have been in operation in 1952 or 53. I fudged to get the Jeep 7s in there.